Hi my friends, Sam Villa here. Today I want to share with you an upstyle that takes very little amount of time to do. I've gone through and pre-sectioned, and I've taken from that recession area on both sides to the top of the crown a triangle section. We isolate the rest of the hair in a ponytail just to get it out of our way. We're going to come through starting in the back of the triangle section at the top of the crown, take a horizontal section. We're going to come through and we're going to back comb this section. Our product of choice is going to be our Control Addict 28. It's a very firm holding hairspray. So I'm going to spray that section first, and then I'm going to come in and I'm going to back comb. Now the way we're going to back comb this is we're going to over direct slightly forward. So by over directing forward, it allows me to lay my brush practically flat and just come in and just slide the comb on top. So I'm looking just not for a very soft type of back comb effect. Now watch me start to change the angle of the comb, so I push a little bit more hair down into that. Once you have that comb back combed, lay that back down, come in with another horizontal section. Okay, we're going to come through with our Control Addict. Now we come through, let's over direct forward. Now a lot of times, sometimes it might help if you just lightly hold that with a fist so that it doesn't have a lot of tension, allows the hair to move back into your back combing. Okay, so I'm going to lay this section back, my next horizontal section. Remembering, product is not an option, it is a necessity. So we continue to work all of these horizontal sections forward. It's almost when I'm back combing, I'm bouncing the comb inside of the section. Now we're going to comb this out. Now, really a trick to combing, back combing, is keep the comb flat. So watch how I'm not going to take the comb and go straight in and start to comb. You're going to take your back combing out. Lay the comb flat and just glide through. So what it's doing is just cleaning up that top surface of your back combing. And it's not like I'm going for a lot of height here, my friends. I just want a soft amount of volume. Okay, going to hit with spray. Notice when I spray with the grain of the hair going in the direction I want. Okay, and take care of the flyaways. Just come in with the can. Use the surface of the can. Okay, once we're here, I'm just going to take an elastic, and I'm just going to put an elastic on this just to hold this at a point of that triangle that I have in the back. And it's not like I'm going through and wrapping the elastic around, just a simple point there. Okay, now start to place it and readjust your combing. On both sides. Okay, then when we have about where you want it, now come through and let's grip that elastic in place. Now once we have that, we're going to come in and we're going to take a curved section just behind the ear at the top of the crown. So we're going to come through, release the elastic below, come through, take a curved section to the ponytail. Now we're going to take this section, we're going to over direct forward. And once again, working with our Control Addict 28. Coming back through, and let's get a base in this so it stays. And look, I'm being a little bit more heavy-handed with my back combing. It's a little bit more sections, meaning it's a little bit more thickness to it. Okay, once I've got that, bring it back. Laying the comb flat, coming through. Now, this is where I'm going to come through and I'm going to twist the section. So I'm going to twist the section. Notice how I twist. So I'm twisting towards the face. Okay, now I'm going to anchor that twist with a small grip. So I want the toe of the grip down, the flat foot on top, catch the twist, and come in and go right into the twist that you created. So it hides that pin. And once again, up styles require a soft touch, not a heavy hand. Okay, once we've got that, we'll come through on the opposite side, repeat the same procedure. We're going to come through and take a curved section from just behind the ear where we're at, curve back to the ponytail. Okay, and I'm not going to pick up any of the hair that I just twisted into that. So I'm going to come through with another grip, just go back into my twist, catch that, and right back up into the twist. Come through, take that curved section at the ear, back to the ponytail. Now make sure that you do not pick up any of the hair that I just twisted. Now we come through, and once again, we're going to over-direct, apply our product, and now back comb. And remember what I said, I'm doing a little bit more heavy-handed with my back combing in this section. Bring back, light hand, comb through, and now twist. So I come through and I twist. Let's take a look at the twist. Okay, once you have that twist, that's where I want to place that grip, right into that twist. Working with small grips, being aware of where we're at, and sliding my pin in. Now once again, come through. You've done two sections, lightly comb through. Now let's take what we've done so far up to this point, and let's lift this up. I'm going to apply another grip there just for support. And now we're going to lift this area up. All this hair is the hair that's been twisted. So we come through and clip. Be aware of your back combing that you did there. Now we come through. We're going to take simply all the hair, and we're just going to simply come through and bring this back. I'm going to work this right underneath what I have clipped up. Okay. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to go again, and I'm going to twist. No back combing on this one. So I twist towards the face. Now going right in with a small grip, right into that twist. Okay, now we come through on the opposite side. Take the hair on the side, bring it back. So it's kind of a half up, half down finish. Okay, so we come through, I twist underneath. Be aware where the twist is. Grab your small grip, come through, get the twist, and back up into it. Now release the top and watch the pattern I created. Okay, so it's just a great way, once again, just to create a half up, half down style, and then working with the concept of almost looking like a ponytail, but not quite. Lastly, come back through, finish it off with your Control Addict 28. Just simple to do, working with the concept of half up and half down. I want to thank you for support. Thank you for watching. And at Sam Villa, we love you.